Today, we're delving into the world of betta fish maintenance and learning how to maintain the vitality and health of these amazing fish in your tank. Now let's get going. Let's start by talking about tank configuration. Give your betta a roomy tank that holds at least 5 gallons so they may swim and explore. Keeping your bettas water clean is essential to their well-being. To maintain low levels of ammonia and nitrite and guarantee ideal water quality, use a dependable filter and do frequent water changes. Monitor the water's parameters. Water with a pH of 6.5 to 7.5 and a temperature range of 78 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 to 27 degrees Celsius, is ideal for betta fish growth. To keep an eye on things, use a thermometer and a water test kit. Improve your betta's habitat by adding decorations, hiding places, and real or artificial plants. Your betta will have an exciting and enriching environment to explore when you add natural components. Give your betta a varied and well-balanced food. Provide premium flakes and pellets for betta fish, as well as occasionally live or frozen treats like bloodworms or brine shrimp. Do not forget to eat little meals 2 or 3 times a day. Avoid overfeeding and establish a regular feeding schedule. To avoid overeating and contaminated water, feed your betta only what they can finish in a few minutes. Pay attention to your betta's behavior. Active, aware, and colorful, a healthy betta fish should have strong colors. Keep an eye out for any indications of disease and take quick action. Even though they don't need as much connection as some other pets, bettas benefit from cerebral stimulation, so it's important to spend time observing and occasionally playing with them.